Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our OSINT series. Last week we took a look at Shodan. Today we're going to take a look at something different. Let's say you want to take a look at someone's social media. That's where Sherlock comes into play. It's a tool that lets you figure out if your target's on social media, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Ethically, of course. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. So first, what is Sherlock? It's an OSINT tool that helps you find out if your target has social media accounts on certain social media platforms. Let's go ahead and install Sherlock. All we need to run is sudo apt install Sherlock, and the process doesn't take long at all. Now that Sherlock's installed, let's take a look at some of the options we can use with it. So here's our list of options, and as you can see here, we can search for more than one username at a time. We can also do our searches through the Tor network. There's a lot of things we can do with it. Take some time to take a look at all the different options. And like always, when you're confused, always refer back to the documentation. Let me show you two ways of doing a basic search. So for our first example, we're going to run Sherlock timeout1 and then our target. And what that timeout1 means, it means that Sherlock's only gonna spend a second looking at a particular site before it moves on to the next one. When we press enter, you can see we have 9 results. For our second example, we're just going to run Sherlock followed by our target, and as you can see here, we get 22 results. That's because Sherlock spent a decent amount of time looking at a particular site before moving on to the next one. Now, Sherlock isn't perfect. For example, it says I have a DeviantArt account, which I don't, but as you can see here, it says I have a GitHub account, which is true. I do have a GitHub account. So let's say I want to see if my target had an account on certain social media platforms. All we need to do is type Sherlock site followed by the site in question and then our target. In this example, we're going to use TikTok and GitHub. As you can see here, it says I have a TikTok and a GitHub, which is true. So go ahead, play around with Sherlock, guys. Down in the comments, let me know what kind of results you got. And like always, thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you on the next one.